Hey everyone, we have this Boldfit gym bottle, protein shaker bottle. Let's check out its review and demo. So this one is 100% leak-proof guarantee protein shaker sipper bottle by Boldfit and the MRP is 599. We got it from Amazon for just 179. I've put the link in the description box. And this is a plastic bottle made from high quality BPA free plastic and it has a beautiful black color. This is a 700 ml bottle and they have given marking up to 600 ml here. Since the color is black, the marking is not that visible in the video. And it comes with a blender ball inside that mixes the protein powder really well. So it is 100% leak proof guarantee lid and there is this flip zipper mouthpiece. It is little bit tight, but anyways, I just added water, protein powder and closed the lid properly and shook it well for 20-30 seconds and look how perfectly it mixed. No lumps. A smooth protein shake is ready and you can turn the bottle upside down, shook it again, not even a single drop leaked. So the lid is very solid and drinking from the zipper mouthpiece is also easy. Cleaning is also simple because the bottle mouth is wide enough and weight is also lightweight, no problem carrying it in the gym bag. For 179, it is such a good quality product, completely value for money. So give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.